These prototype brain interface glasses cost just $65 to produce, but could be priceless for thousands of disabled people around the world. In combination with inexpensive video cameras, the glasses allow users to operate a computer with their eyes, controlling a cursor on a screen just like a conventional mouse.
And now I'm controlling the mouse directly with my eyes.
The glasses were created from off-the-shelf materials by PhD student William Abbott and his lecturer Dr. Aldo Faisal.
This system consists basically of two things. One is a device, a piece of hardware, which is basically an eye tracking system that William's wearing here on his head. And it basically consists of two sets of very fast cameras that record the movements of the eyes and enable us to work out where on the screen William is looking. And the other part of the kit is smart software that basically decodes the intentions that William has about interacting with the computer and translates them into commands that enable him to control the computer just by using his eyes.
The computer is calibrated to ignore involuntary blinking.
Blinks are not an issue for our system because blinks occur naturally and we want people to behave naturally when they use our system. That's why all the commands that you issue are done via something that you voluntarily control, namely the wink. So for example, in case of the computer user interface we developed, you simply look on the screen, the mouse pointer follows wherever you're looking on the screen. And if you want to interact with an icon or start an application, you just wink to click.
The duo say millions of people suffering from multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, muscular dystrophy, spinal cord injuries or amputees could benefit. They say the technology is much less expensive and less invasive than other thought or eye control devices developed elsewhere. It employs an algorithm that works out the 3D gaze of the subjects. In other words, how far into the distance they're looking.
We take this natural eye movement signal because we look where we want to click or we look where we're going, and this means that it's a very natural, intuitive way for people to control disability devices or interact with a computer. And we can demonstrate this with real-time control of the classic arcade game Pong.
The pair tested students playing the classic 70s arcade game using their eyes to hit a ball bouncing on the screen. They say those tested mastered the game within 10 minutes. The device uses just 1 watt of power and can transmit data wirelessly. Faisal and Abbott say their technology could allow people to control an electronic wheelchair simply by looking where they want to go. It could also be developed to control a robotic prosthetic arm. They hope to interest manufacturers in producing a commercial version of the glasses that could be sold direct to the public, giving the disabled access to a new world of possibilities.